Guys, I'm actually really super excited about something, so I have to tell you now before it's actually available. So, I've wanted to do this for so many years. As an unschooling mom, or a hands-on mom, or a child-directed mom, every year I get a planner, and I'll get a planner so I can get my ideas out there. But it's so frustrating because it's not set up. It's set up for like a planner for school people, and even the homeschool ones a lot of times are set up not for the homeschooling I do. It's set up for like, okay, your curriculum's going here. Okay, you're going to check for attendance here. There's nothing in there about like unit studies. There's nothing in there about like, I actually, for our field trips this year, it was just like half of a page, and we did like page after page of field trips. And then I also have like, I wanted to do a section where like my kids had their sections of their goals, like all in one space. So we have been working hard over the last couple weeks. My daughter has been creating it. I've been coming up with like the ideas on what I want in this book. I'm like a pen and paper type girl, kind of designing them out. And she put the beauty and the creativity into this thing. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. She put it into KDP and we are gonna get it pretty soon. Yes, I'm so excited. So it's gonna have all the things that I thought a planner was missing. So it's gonna have plenty of pages for field trips. It's gonna have a spot for things that you read aloud. It's going to have individual areas for your children to write things that they are reading out loud or reading to themselves. It's going to have a spot for things like, a lot of them do not have a spot for audiobooks or podcasts they listen to. Let's get those in there. So I have ones that we're doing as a family, and I have papers that I can fill that out, and I have papers I'm going to fill that the kids can fill out for their stuff too. There's sections for your kids, my kids, to fill out their goals for the year, things that they want to do, and that can be any type of goal. There's a section for you to write your extracurricular activities. For instance, you could write like swimming down. What are they learning from this? Who's involved in it? What days is it on? All that type of stuff that can go in there. We do choir. We just started piano like literally today. So all those things can go into this book as well. So I am so excited because this is like my homeschool planner is like my planner, get it all doneer. So I have like usually a calendar page that I would write my goals that I might want to do throughout that month. And then I would have in the other areas, I would actually write down what we did during that time, what we did in that month. So I designed it like that. Or I was thinking like, could we do that? Actually, I started like designing a thing like, oh, I would like this or this. And then my daughter's like, we can do that. And I was like, really? She's like, yeah, we could do it on KDP. And I was like, okay, let's do it. So I created this book specifically for me, designed the way that I homeschool. But then my daughter's like, you can just like tell people about it. So when I get it, I'm going to share it with you guys as well, and share with you like what I did in this book, because there might be other mamas out there that could really benefit from these different sections that I put in there. I always would like have like pieces of paper like shoved in between my homeschool stuff, and it was just kind of a pain, because then if that falls out, it's like shoved in between the pages. If that falls out, then it's like, okay, then we need separate reading lists. Then my kids would have separate books, separate reading lists. So I am so excited. I really am. I am so excited for this book. Even if nobody decides that they like this book, I'm excited because like I have wanted this for years. Like I get so frustrated just by trying to make regular homeschool binders work for me. And so I'm excited that I'm going to get something that actually has like all the spaces for all the things that I want to do. So I just had to share it with you guys because I'm so excited that it's done. And she's so beautiful. She did such a good job. She just, she took her time and just made like the lettering beautiful. I mean, isn't it nice to write something in something that's beautiful? I think it is. I always think it's so nice to write in something that's beautiful. Anyway, I thought that I would share with you guys, and that is coming out soon, soon. I'm so excited. Anyway, when I get a copy of it, I'm going to be making a video, and I will go through all the sections and everything just in time for us to start up this new school year, guys. I know I'm thinking already back to school, but it's really not already back to school. It just sneaks up on us. You guys have a blessed and wonderful day. And if you're a homeschool mama, I think I'm going to do like a giveaway and stuff too. So that's going to be exciting. Hope you guys have a blessed day.